Okay.
This is Steve Beeson with American Iron Works. Today we'd like to describe the proper way to install our whip stop system. This is an R13 2-inch hose. It has an outside diameter of 2.8. We're going to use our 2.5-inch whip stop on this. First thing you want to do is just collapse it like this, and like an accordion. Come around. When it gets about right here, I grab the ears, slide it directly on, like that. Run your hand down it, lay it nice and flat. If you'll notice on this, this is a good fit. Our diamonds on here are as wide as they are long this way. This is a nice tight fit. I'm going to give a demonstration here in a second of a whip stop that is too loose for the hose. But what's important is once you position the whip stop on your hose, have somebody hold the hose, or you can brace it like I'm going to do right here and pull on that whip stop and make sure that it does not slide. If it slides, your whip stop is too big. It should not slide if these diamonds are like this. They're the same width as they are the same length. So again, that's a nice tight fit. I'm going to install one that is too large. If you'll notice on here, see how the diamonds are longer this way than they are wide? This whip stop is too big for this hose. And that's the way you can tell. If once you lay it out flat like this, your diamonds are longer this way than they are wide. This whip stop is too loose for this hose. Even though it grabs, it wouldn't grab under a high pressure release. We want to keep these diamonds close to the same distance this way. And you can see how it's not really tightening in on the hose. You can see you have a little bit of slack right here. We want that sock to spring load in on the hose. On inspections and recertifications, things to look for. Look at the eye area here. This is a whip stop that we had a high pressure release on. You can see how we've elongated the eyes in this area here. That tells us that the whip stop has been under a load. We also have a broken wire here. On the galvanized systems, it's important to look for rust. Make sure there's no rust. If there's any individual strands broken, we want to pull the whip stop out of service. So again, things to look for. Elongation in the eye area. That tells us that this has been under a load. We want to take it out of service. We want to watch for rust, any type of deterioration of the material. I think that's it.